In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to nudge a task back into your inbox at the perfect time so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by signing into ClickUp and heading into the space where your work lives. This keeps everything organized and makes sure you're setting the reminder on the right set of tasks. Once you're in, open the specific task you want to be reminded about. You'll work directly from the task view so the reminder stays connected to the work itself. Inside the task, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis, typically in the upper right area of the task window. Click that, then choose Remind Me in Inbox. This option tells ClickUp to surface the task in your personal inbox at a time you choose, which is ideal for follow-ups and time-sensitive actions. If you just need a gentle nudge later today, select Later, then confirm the highlighted option to lock it in. For a quick next-day follow-up, open the three-dot menu again, pick Remind Me in Inbox, choose Tomorrow and confirm. Want a bit more breathing room? Repeat the process and choose In 2 days, then confirm. If you're planning ahead, open the menu again, choose Remind Me in Inbox and select Next Week, confirming the highlighted choice so it's saved. You can also use the date picker for a specific day. When the calendar opens, click the exact date you want, for example, the number 2, then confirm the highlighted selection. This is handy when your timing needs to align with a client deadline or a team milestone. All of these choices will send the task back to your inbox at the selected time, making it easy to act on it when it matters. If you need to control who can access the task while you're setting things up, open Sharing and Permissions in the task. This ensures the right people can view or collaborate on the task. Keep in mind, reminders you set here are for your inbox. Teammates should set their own reminders if they also need a prompt. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Make sure your ClickUp time zone is correct so reminders hit at the expected time, and check your notification preferences if you want additional alerts. When the reminder arrives, you can complete snooze or reschedule straight from your inbox. That's it. Open the task, use the three-dot menu, choose Remind Me in Inbox, select Later, Tomorrow, In 2 days, Next Week, or pick a specific date, and confirm the highlighted choice. You'll stay on top of your tasks with effortless timing.